I am certain that had we not known about the SBDC, at least I would have tried to plead my case with my partner here that we need to hire a consultant to help us figure out some of the things and the information that we were able to get from the business advisors at SBDC. Hi, I'm Robert Legagneur.
I'm Val Legagneur, and
I'm co-owner of Kerian Home Health Care Agency.
Kerian is new for us here, but we actually have been working with my mom, who owns Paraclete Home Health Care in New York. You know, we thought after 7 years, okay, we understand the business, we understand the need, and this is something that we could do here. So we would, take that concept of home health care, specifically focused towards the elderly, and we would build on that.
I had attended a conference on home health care agencies, but then I think I saw this online. The SBDC was sponsoring a talk about how to start a home health care agency. And that's where I met Mary Kay. While there were a lot of dynamic people there, Mary Kay really stood out, during one of our breaks. I talked her through what the reasoning of Val and I was, and she was like, that's awesome. And what I really appreciated about her was at the conclusion of every meeting, it was very task-oriented. It was never generic platitudes as to, well, this is what you need to start a business. They were actionable tasks. Once we had the straw man of what the business plan should look like, that's when Mary Kay said, okay, maybe now might be the time to introduce you to another one of our associates. And so that's when we met Chardee, and she gave me some really good feedback in terms of things that could be done that banks and other avenues could look through that you want to really promote, because that's what would make your proposal stand out. And that was invaluable.
You don't know what you don't know. I think when you're starting a small business, there are so many pieces that, if you've always worked for other companies, you just don't think about that. Working with the Small Business Association will really force you to sit down and think about, your story and what you're doing and how do you differentiate yourself and how much is this going to cost.
It left from becoming just a simple thought experiment to now becoming where we are today. It's been hard at times for me to realize that this is real. It's very surreal.